Hey guys, so today I'm bored and I'm supposed to be editing my video that should be out before this one, but today we're just going to do some scooter versus items because we have not have a driver's license, so we can't drive a car, so we're going to do scooters instead. Hurry up and go, Jay.
Oh yeah, ice.
Nothing really happened, just flat now. I totally missed the trash can. Next is ice versus scooter wheel.
It's a motorcycle. Shut up. I just need to
Go already.
whatever you don't move.
Just go.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just going to rerun it over.
Wait.
Run it over. Nothing really happened. It was kind of already broken, and they're fragile, so I'm not sure why nothing happened. It got cracked a little bit more, and it just ran away. So get that out of here. I'm scared. Ah! It just cracked. Go. Go. Go.
No, don't do it.
Okay, put it in there.
Stop, Anaya.
Anaya, stop. Anaya, stop. Anaya, stop.
It's just candy. Can't you just go back in the house and get you another one?
Dang, Johnny, you're wasting my life right now. Can you hurry? My legs are hurting.
Why don't you stand up?
Okay, go.
Say go.
Go, I said.
I want to see it.
Go. Totally missed that though, because I was gonna talk. Try again too. Go. Go. It didn't even pop open.
Maybe we should.
We're just gonna open it. Go. Now. She kind of ran over them. It was already tore up. Ah! She almost ran over my fingers. The wheel just sputtered out right now.
Huh?
The wheel just sputtered out.